Hello folks, this is Jerry of TV. This is unboxing video of my new dashcam. The brand name is AZDOME. 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 AZDOME MO1 Pro. I bought it in Amazon for almost 56 euros. Okay, let's unbox it. Okay, let's unbox it. Voila. This is AZDOME. Dashcam. Enjoy your smart driving. AZDOME MO1 Pro. I bought it in Amazon Prime here in France. Okay. This is the original box. It's sealed with plastic. Okay. Where is the... Oh, wala. Voila. Here she is. Here she is. Three inches LCD monitor, and this is the camera, the lens. It's plastic. Yes. I don't know if it's plastic or aluminum. Made in China. Okay. So, and this is the USB cable going to your the the output. This one, and you connect it here. Cigarette lighter of your car, you put here. Oh. Voila, directed. And then where is to this one, something like that. Voila. And some kits. This blue plastic is for to unclip your the play rings inside your car. This one, and this is the other clip. And this one is, voila, this is for here. How here. Like that. Ala. And you put it in the windshield inside your car. It turns I thought it's turning. Voila. And this is the manual. Owner's manual. Voila. Okay, folks. Next video, I want to show you how to put inside your car, and we can test it. Okay, thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel, JerryB.TV. Okay, bye bye. Merci beaucoup.